Morning, welcome to First Class International Trading Signals channel. Trading the right way wherever you are. My name is S and I'll be your host today. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel with the link at the bottom right. This will keep you up to date all the time wherever you are. So you will also get a reminder at the end of the program by the logo. So please do click subscribe. Any questions, feel free to contact me via email. As always, I hope you're in profits with the weekly trading signals and your trading or investments are in good shape. You will find the playlists at FCITSE all the time. That's my handle, by the way, on YouTube. This means that if you miss key areas, you can catch up later. Remember, at the end of each program, the signals will be posted again for your consumption in any format. All my trading signals are produced by me 100% and no third-party involvement. So there's no computers or lithograms involved. Okay, so let's get on to this week's schedule. So just before we start the weekly trading signals for stocks, we need to look at what's new. So there's been a change in chart layouts and signal layouts from last time. I've simplified these charts and made them more interactive. I do use different platforms like MT5 and others. Remember, the baseline currency is always in your own jurisdiction, country or continent. Okay, and this week we've got combined programs this week, namely week 6, 7 and 8 together. And stay tuned for the intraday signals from next week. They will be posted daily, anytime. There will also be a weekly playlist for these. Commodities and oil signals will be posted together on intraday signals. Okay, so please subscribe and do not miss out. All the weekly signals are produced on the weekend and published 9:30 a.m. every Monday. However, sometimes there can be delays for unforeseen reasons, so the signals could be delayed, and this is out of my control at times. However, we will get the playlists out, and I will get the signals, bundled up for you, so you don't miss the weeks, and all the weeks are combined, so there's no confusion in the weekly schedule. Okay, so key for trading charts, as always: buy is purchase product, sell is sell product, range is buy or sell to a predetermined area, hold is product remains open. Okay, then we've got blue for entry line, exit, green for exit, and red for stop loss. So what you see on the chart is where the price is in blue, that's the entry line, the green is the exit line, and the red is the stop loss, where you put your stop loss amount. Please do not get confused with the lines, with the coloration for the trading chart: buy, sell, range or hold. As you'll be aware, it's two different things. So signal strength: gold is very strong, silver strong, bronze is good. Okay, so before we waste any more time, we'll just get into the first stocks weekly trading signal. So the product name is Expedient, that's in the US 500. Direction is buy, duration is quarterly, signal strength is gold. Technical analysis in this area is look to buy on weekly support, long-term bounce may occur. So as if you've been watching all my programs, as you can see, I did a piece a few weeks ago on candlesticks trading. It's essential that if you're watching these weekly programs, the trading signals, that you do watch that program to pick up how to use a candlestick trading, candlesticks with the weekly trading signals. So as you can see there, we've got an entry point right at the bottom. So the price is making its way down on the weekly bar, so it might take a bit of while to get down there, but there's a lot of support and resistance in that bottom configuration, as you can see. So we've got an entry point here. The reason there's an entry point here and a stop loss there, obviously that's the recent low for tens of weeks, if not a year, over a year. So I think the price will bounce back from this confluence area. As you can see, we've got one price bounce from there, we've got another one there going up to that one, got one here going right up to there, then we've got some nice one going up right there, and then we've got another one in that area going up there. So we've got certainty that the price could come down here, settle, and then on the long term start picking up for nice long term profits. And that's why the trade is quarterly. There's not much to do in the long term. Okay, so we just move to the next one. So the product name is Coca-Cola bottling. That's in the US 500. Directions buy, durations weekly, and the signal strength is silver. Technical analysis, look to buy in the weekly pullback candlestick. Fairly simple trade. As you can see there on the weekly bar, the price is moving back from a top, so it may reverse. If it does reverse, it'll come back down in this area, I anticipate. So there's a bit of support down here, and that's why I put an entry line there. If it does come back there, it could retest that area and then break away to a higher level, new level. We just put stop loss there, and as you can see, if you get your own platform open and charting, you can see the price is making its way up over longer term. So it's a straightforward trade. Okay, and the next one is, well, we've got the product name is Unilever PLC. That's a FTSE 100. That's in the United Kingdom. The direction is a buy, and the signal is a weekly signal. Duration is weekly, and signal strength is silver. So look to buy on a daily candlestick on dip price. So it's quite a straightforward trade once again. We've got some resistance, and as you can see, some sellers have got in. So it used to be support area, so it may form into resistance as the price drops. So we put an entry there as we've got some support here. So the price has tested once from there. It's tested a bit, so it's gone down, then it goes back up. So we're hoping when the price goes up here, it may retest it and it might go back up. It may go back up here for a double top. So it may stop it, come around this area as well, head and shoulder pattern. So it's a fairly good entry point, that is, and we've just put stop loss at the bottom here. Okay, so I'll just move on to the next one. So the next one is, the product name is Lind PLC. That's on the DAX 40, which is a German 40. And the direction is buy, durations weekly, signal strength is bronze. And as you can see, the entry point's just in a support area on the daily candlestick. So if the price pushes down to this area, so we've got entry there. If it does push there, it'll probably reverse back upwards. So it could retest that and break out. If not, it'll just build some support and resistance in this area and come back at a later longer term date there. So that's all the signals done for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please press subscribe at the end of my program. And what I'll do is we'll get the signals back up before I go. Please stay tuned for my next program, which will be on Forex, store currencies. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.